Dr. NGR Educational and Research Institute, University, Madurai, Chennai.
Audible. A very good morning to one and all present here. It's my pleasure welcome to you all for the webinar Professional Society on 5.0. On behalf of First Year Engineering and Technology, I extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Founder Chairman A.C. Shanmugam Sir, our Honorable President Dr. A.C.S. Arun Kumar Sir, Vice Chancellor Dr. Geeta Lakshmi Ma'am, Provost, Rectors, Registrar, Additional Registrar, Joint Registrar, Dean, Deputy Dean, HOD, Teaching and Non-Teaching Staff. I also welcome our JR ma'am, Dr. Subhashri ma'am, and also dear student members for the today's event, that is webinar on Professional Society 5.0. Now I would like to call up our Dr. Anthony Xavier to give the welcome address.
Thank you, Malini. Warm greetings to all. Happy morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible,
Am I audible?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Happy morning to all. I welcome Joint Registrar Dr. Subhashri Madam. I would like to welcome today's guest, Mr. D. Selvakumar Sir, who is a very friend of mine. And I would like to welcome the first year students who are attending this program and all the staff members of the first years. And thank you so much for accepting Selva Sir for the last minute of invite to you without any hesitation, and with your busy schedule you have give your valuable time. Thank you so much, and students kindly make use of it, and this topic will be a very interesting topic, and he's a well professional trainer, and he's a well trained SAP architect, and we would like to welcome once again, sir. Thank you so much for accepting.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to one and all present here. This is Niveta from the Department of First Year Engineering and Technology. It takes me great privilege to welcome our guest of honor for today's webinar, Dr. D. Selvakumar Sir. Sir is an ME followed by PhD honors, and Sir has a 2 decade of experience in the field of IT, which includes ISTQB, ITIL, Hadoop Big Data SAP Global Certification, SAP S4 HANA Sales and Distribution, SAP S4 HANA Material Management, SAP BRIM, and he has 19 years of experience in Hewlett Packard, and he's also 1 year experience in Assembly Solutions. We are honored to have Mr. D. Selvakumar Sir with us today to share his insights and experience with students and faculty members. I'm sure that this interaction with our chief guest will be a valuable learning experience for all of us. We welcome you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you,
Thank
Anthony.
you, sir.
So can I start? Anthony, can I start my presentation?
Yes. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You can start, sir.
Okay, I am audible, right, madam?
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible.
Sorry.
Okay. Please. So please, someone respond because I'm just seeing my system. So just if if I'm not audible, please let me know so that. Okay. So
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
yeah, today topic is I'm going to start one of the important one. So the ERP. ERP stands for, right? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource and Planning. So, the ERP is a common name. Okay, ERP is usually the software. We can use ERP. Is a SAP is a currently the world market leader. So SAP is the one of the ERP solution. It is SAP in one of the ERP solution, and also likewise ERP. Some other softwares also available like PeopleSoft, MS Dynamics, PAN, and also company based many ERP products are worldwide available. Like Wipro also having their own ERP solution, Ramco, TCS, CTS. So every company has their own ERP solution and their own ERP products. So lot of products are available, but the people are very well known is SAP. SAP is a ERP world market leader. So that's the reason SAP is a separate one. So they are using ERP solution. So the company name also SAP, and also they named their own product name also SAP. So now we are going to discuss about little because since I am working in SAP side, I will talk about little more about SAP. But this session all about to explain about so what is mean by ERP and importance of ERP, and this is SAP is one of the solutions. So I'm taking example as a SAP. Okay, SAP helps integrate the all functional area of organization. So, say for example, take your MGR University. So, MGR University having accounting. So, how much employees are working, and the students' fees, and a lot of accounting things are is there. Like, and also inventory. We have the lot of building inventory, laptop, printers, like that. So similarly, if we compare, perfect comparison is if you take any industry, like you can take any car manufacturing industry. Say for Maruti car, they are manufacturing India wide, worldwide. Take it for the India wise, the organization. So look at this Maruti manufacturing car company. They are having the accounting means just to think about worldwide how many employees are working, how many cars are selling, and how many products are they are purchasing. So the accounting is a very big one. And also inventory. So they have the buildings, they have the Chennai also, lot of factories are there, Bangalore, all over the India, they have the inventories. So and also warehouse management. So they have the product, they have the car accessory product, the accessory product have the warehouse management. So there, and also think about their selling capacity, how many cars are they are selling, and also think about their purchasing capacity, how many things are they are purchasing for the raw material in the sense for man to manufacture the car. They are having the tires and car spare parts, they how much manufacturing. So all this, the for each purchasing, that includes the logistic. So they need to transfer movement of the goods from one place to another place, and also it includes supply chain management. Think about the reportings. So this is a huge volume of business. The huge volume of business, we need to generate the reporting, and all the functional enterprises. It may be, look at the large size companies, small size company, big size companies. So why I'm giving this much introduction. So this, you cannot handle without software. You cannot handle these things with easily, because it is a huge volume of business. So to handle, so here it is involving accounting, finance is involved, here it is involving sales, here it is involving logistic, here it is involving reporting, analytics, everything. All the business solutions are available in one product. So that is called as a ERP product. So I am taking example as SAP. If you use the SAP, so you no need to buy any other software like your Java, the different for finance itself. They have the lot of software. For logistic itself, they have the lot of software. So the purchasing also, they have lot of software. For reporting also, they have the lot of. No need to have a separate software. If you have ERP, SAP software, you can handle all the business in one tool, one login. You can handle all the business. So that's the reason SAP. So SAP is the most trusted ERP provider. So it is the SAP has the 50 years of market history. More than, I'm quoted 50,000 is a very less number. It is more than 1 lakh worldwide. All are big customers. So, and also as I said, the SAP is the name of the product also SAP, and the company name also SAP. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about, so what is a business. If you are doing business, so business without, how it is looks like ERP. uh, Madam, okay, for so far this, any question please ask me. You can anytime, the first year staff member, they can have any question, please ask. So I am audible, right, Anthony? Anthony, madam, hello, Anthony. So someone please respond, because I keep on talking. Anthony, hello. uh, Coordinator, please unmute and please speak out, because I'm not able to audible any voice. Can I continue my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Madam, please, you are unmute, madam, because I'm keep on talking. I don't know whether people are on the line or not. I'm just little.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll stay connected, sir.
Yeah, please. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
this is the introduction. Okay, now I'm going to explain the business. Okay, I'm going to explain the business without ERP, how we are. So the say for this presentation I have prepared especially for this today presentation. So the customer calls, say for example, customer is calling to place the order for the car. The customer, we are getting the call for the placing the order for the car. Okay, so then once the customer calls to the sales department, then this is a sales department. The customer may be calling from Bangalore, sales department might be maybe in the Chennai. Say they are receiving the call, then they will inform to the inventory department, then they will inform to the production planning department for car manufacturing. So why I'm saying this business is without any ERP solution. So the how think about without we are not implemented any ERP, just it is everything is happening by manual. Just think about it. So this is all everything is located in different locations. Okay, so now I am moving. So once the production planning control is there, right? So then we will order the raw material. So it is going to the purchasing department also sitting in the different locations. The so they are think about the integrations. There is no connection between the person ordered one per location, and the salesperson one more location, and inventory contact person one more location, and the production planning also one more location, and the purchasing third party also one more location. All are different locations. Then we will add the few more business process. So that then the purchasing department will interact with the vendors for car manufacturing, the body, the tires and the wheels. The different vendors are there. They will interact with the vendors, they will purchase, then they will inform to the finance department. Then the inventory, the vendor will connect with the inventory also located in the different locations. So everything is located in the different state. Okay, so they are coming and inventory, they are checking the inventory, they are giving the record inventory, then they are passing finance bill to the finance department. So then inventory department will interact with the shop floor, then shop floor will connect with the production planning control. So then production will happening. So like this, so finally they made the car. So here just assume that this all process are happening in without any ERP. So there everything is happening by without any software solutions. So finally customer has called this small size car. So because of the many departments are involved in that, there is some miscommunication. There is a misinformation passed from one department to another department because of the without ERP, without software solution, without ERP solutions. They are interacted manually. So there is a high possibility of getting manual error. So finally, see, the customer has ordered the small size car, and the company has gone through the different process. Finally, the company is going to deliver the whatever the customer is asked. See, the whom only then your customer is they he don't know whom to he contact, because initially he contacted the salesperson. Now they are involving the so many departments are involved in the business. So the customer also after 1 month, so he is looking for getting the car. So he don't know whom to he contact. So because of the gap of they are not using any software solutions. Then okay, then we are going to deliver, and we are identifying where the car is manufactured. Then finally all the confusion, finally we are going to deliver to customer. So we are going to deliver to customer, the sales department they are giving. Just to think about what is they are going to deliver it. So there the customer has asked the small size car. The outcome came for the big size car. Because of the miscommunication, misunderstanding, because of they are not used any proper software, they are not used proper integration ERP solutions. So all departments are located in different location. So finally they have given the wrong product, so they lost the business. So why I have derived these pictures? So this is from these pictures I'm showing the importance of the ERP solutions. What is the importance of ERP solutions? So that is important things. So then customer, he ordered, I did not order the truck, he ordered a small size car. So because of the proper there is no proper ERP solution, we have delivered the wrong product. So I am then customer is not ready to take the delivery. So then they are the whole totally the business is collapsed. Okay. So see, look at the overall picture of business, how much involved. The customer is involved, sales is involved, account receivable, payable, general ledger and purchasing, production, inventory, vendors, and shop floor. So many departments are involved. See, all the departments, it is very difficult to integrate with one software. So that is the reason the ERP solution, SAP software will help to integrate all the department in the any manufacturing industry, any business. So you can integrate all the department in by using the SAP software. So now we are entering into enterprise architecture. So architecture, why the number of the why the enterprise architecture is required? Because of we are integrating the data. So integrating data become the very costly. So look at that. So we are here integrating, we are involving the time means everybody's employees are working, everybody is working, the each time is very not important. And also, so if you can look at the money, is lot of money is involved, lot of resources mean the inventory, our buildings, and everything is involved. So all the things we can integrate, all the datas we can integrate by using the SAP ERP SAP solutions. And also it is we can avoid the duplication of data, and and the lack of the information, uh, lack of timely information. And this is the enterprise, why we are going to use the enterprises architecture. Okay. So see, this is an integration business. Because since we are so many departments are available, so we can integrate all the department by using the SAP ERP solutions. So the enterprises, what is the benefit of enterprises architecture? It is eliminates the duplication, discontinuity, and also it is increase the returns on the investment made in the IT implement. If you implement the SAP implementation in your company, you will get the returns of investment. And if you implement the SAP, your delivery quality information for designated for enterprises as a whole. It is a if you implement SAP, it is a faster and cheaper, and deliver the quality of information to produce the quality of enterprise, and satisfying your business partner, it is satisfying your customer, and also it is reducing the required manpower. So this is the overall benefits of the enterprises architecture. So this is the introduction. SAP introduction means what is the full form of SAP? It's a system, application, and product in data processing. So this it is founded. It is a history of the SAP. Then history of SAP. If you look at it, the SAP is a based on German-based company. It is as I said before, SAP is a name, and the company also same name. Okay, now we are entering into SAP architecture. How it is going to look like SAP architecture. So if you are all the computer science students, so you know the basic one. This is a three tier. This is architecture based on the three-tier system. Three-tier system means one is a presentation layer server, another one is application server, another one is a database server. So the combine of these three is the SAP ERP solution. I will show you the next screen. Picture will clearly explain to you what is meant by presentation server, what is meant by application server, what is meant by database server. The dedicated servers are linked to communication. They perform the task without sacrificing the data integration and the process within the system. So we are going to use only these three server: presentation server, application server, database server. So look at this picture, you will get the clear idea on this. So this is like whatever the laptop you are using, right? This is a presentation layer. So here only we are using the SAP transaction. What is a purchase order, sales order, everything you are entering into the presentation layer. Once you submit in the presentation layer, your data will be passed on to application layer. Then in the application layer, it will process the logic. Say for example, Amazon, if your presentation layer, for example, for you, for all your understanding, I'm saying, if Amazon, if you are putting any if you are placing any order, so that is placed on the presentation layer. Then presentation layer 2, it will pass on to application layer. Application layer, they will return the logic. So here they will you will mention to the Amazon what you mentioned in the your current location, whatever your product you placed, that product is available in which location. So this all the logic will be derived in the application server. This application server, everything is derived. Then all the data, the location data, customer data, everything will be available in the database server. Then application server will interact with the database server. From database server, they will fetch the so whatever the product details and the location detail, customer details, everything will be fetched from the database server. It is connected. Then the application server, it will pass on to the presentation server. Then the end customer will see the what is the status of the product. So this is a simple basic, we can call it as a three-tier system. Okay, now we are move on to the presentation layer. It's a GUI at workstation, very light. Send the request to application server, obtain the screen from the application server and display. And the database server, it is interface between the application server and the database server. So this is, and now I coming on to the conceptual area. In SAP, if you are the first year, right? So in SAP, if you want to take your career, future careers SAP, you have the three choices. One is the functional consultant. So my role is functional consultant. I am in the first box. So functional consultant. Second, functional consultant, all about we need to design the like we are all about we are interacting with the applications. So we are working on the application server. We will write the logic. We will write the based on the business. We will write the logic, everything in the application server, and also we will include all the data, whatever the data, customer data, everything in the database servers. So but this is a functional consultant. The second one is the basis. So this is a technical. So SAP is all about giving the access. So SAP, every screen has the authorization. So I cannot, if I am working in one module, I cannot access to other module. So every screen have the separate authorization. So that's the reason they have the separate field called SAP basis. The third one is we need to develop the logic. We need to write the logic in the above program for SAP for based on the business logic. For that, we can call it as the SAP developer, third role. So if you want to feature, you want to take SAP career, for I suggest if you are, why I have taken the functional area, because the here we need to mostly interact with the business people. We will understand the business. Then I will interact, I will inform to my developer what is the I understand the business. Then I develop the some configuration. Some, if I need anything, I need to develop or need to write any codings required for codings based on the business requirement. Business may need forms. Business may need some reportings. Business may need some logical program based on their business. So all the things I will get it from the business. I will only functional consultant. I will interact with the business. I will collect the requirement. Then I will go to developer. I will tell all the issues or what is the requirement of business. Then developer write the programming. Developer write the programming based on the functional consultant input. So I am the whole sole responsibility of end business solutions. So that's why architecture. So my role is SAP functional architecture. So then I will interact with basis team to get the authorization. So this is three important fields. So then we'll come to the SAP modules. If you look at the SAP, you have the huge area of you are taking the you can career profile. So now I am currently in the Brim module. That is the latest one. It is comes under the sales and distribution. So this is a whatever I am showing here. This is a SAP legacy modules. So apart from that, a lot of new modules are available. Say for example, the Brim, I am currently working on it. That is recently they have developed it, SAP. So I am working on it. This is the legacy module. So sales and distribution, material management, production planning control, quality management, plant maintenance, warehouse management, project system, workflow, human HR module, ascent module, controlling. So these are all legacy modules. You can take. You cannot, but if you're going the experience, you can work across all the module. But while taking the initial period, you need to take only one profile. Either you can be sales module, module, production module, or quality, any one of these. This is all about the SAP modules. So the SAP module functions, important thing is the module, material procurement, inventory management, batch management, goods inspection, and invoice verification. The production planning control, it is you can readable only production order, QM production, and SD module also. These are also process, inquiry process, sales order process, delivery process, and billing. FI also having the general ledger, accounts payable, account receivable, cash management. The costing also, cost center accounting, product costing, and contribution analysis. So okay, this is I have taken one for to understand the students. So this is a sales activity. Say for example, sales and distribution, how it looks like. Initially, they will have the sales activities. The sales activities all about, say for example, your computer science department. They are going to purchase the laptop. So I will going to show the next screen, SAP screens. Okay. Before that, I will. This is a business architecture. So what is the business? The sales department, sales activities means what? So they will say for example, mgr university planning to purchase a laptop for all the departments. All the department, they are going to purchase the laptop. So what they will do, then the sales department, they will receive the order from the management. Okay, we need to purchase the say for some 5,000 laptop we need to purchase for our university, whole university, for all the department. Then what we will do, we will go for the inquiry. So enquiry means we will keep in touch with Dell laptop, Hewlett Packard laptop, whatever the laptop brands are there, right? So we will go for the quotations. Then we will receive the quotations. So we will analyze the quotation. We will choose the best quotation. Then after choose the best quotation, we will go for the sales order. We are making the sales order because we are going to buy the laptop. So the sales order, we will mention that we need 5,000 laptop. Then if you are regular customer, then they will give the subsequent delivery free charges. So if you are regular customer, they will add these features: subsequent delivery free charges, the delivery of free charges. If anything, if you any damage, the return policy also is there. Then scheduling agreement: if there are 5,000 laptop cannot be delivered on one shipment, they will deliver by monthly 10 to 5,000, 500, 100, like that. Then everything will be planned in SAP. This all are I will show you in the next screen, SAP screen, for all these transactions. Then the shipping is it will once it is ready, then it will be transferred to the shipping department, then for the delivery. Then they will packing all the laptop in their shipping spot. Then everything is done, they will deliver. The once the delivery is completed, then we will create the invoices. So the invoices will create, suppose they want to, if they may need the credit, if you the credit, maybe if you give the credit memo. If you are any debit, we already they wanted to, any balance is there, we can give the debit memo. So these are all or simple sales activity happening in the any organization, any industries. So how we can move these activities into SAP? So this is look at this, all the terminology here. Enquiry is there, right? So this is the enquiry screen. See the SAP enquiry screen. You can see the this enquiry is there, right? This is SAP enquiry screen. So you can make the enquiry. Okay, you can make the enquiry. You can make the customer name, purchase order number, what is a laptop you needed, what is a tab, what is anything, how many quantities you needed, everything you can make the enquiry. Then after enquiry, you can save that. You can see bottom, the enquiry will be saved it. You can view it on any time. Then it will be based on the enquiry, we will receive the quotations. Then we will receive the quotation. That also it will be captured. Everything will be integrated. It comes into the SAP. Then quotation also saved with respect to our enquiry. Then we will create the purchase order. So purchase, we are creating the purchase order with Dell laptop. Say for example, Dell laptop. So we create the purchase order. Okay, based on the quotations. Then the purchase order also we will mention how many laptop we need, where to we, which place, from Madurai University we receive all the laptops. Everything we need to mention in the purchase order screen. Then once it is created, once purchase order is created, then Dell company will create the sales order. Dell company will create the sales order. Okay, then it is created the sales order. Then create the outbound. Then we will create the outbound delivery. Create the shipment. So create the shipment means in the sales, whatever the laptop is there, right? It is they create the shipment. Then we will, once it is shipment is done, then we will give the proof of delivery. Okay, we received all the laptop. Then we'll create the billing. So then after that the payment is happening. So this is a simple process for easy to understand. I have mentioned it. Okay, so Anthony, I have done with my presentation. Any questions? Anthony? Anthony, sir?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. It is audible, sir.
Yeah, yes, madam. Audible, madam.
Yeah, sir.
Hope you enjoyed my session. Yes.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Students, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please post the comment section. Please post it in the comment section. Any questions are there, students?
Okay, madam. If you have any question, please send out the email. I will reply.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir. Let us finish this session, sir. Then shall we wind up, sir? Wind up
Okay,
the
madam.
session.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, everyone. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
yeah,
Thank
sir.
you,
Just a
madam.
minute, sir, for vote of thanks.
Okay.
It has been such as an honor to be a part of the wonderful event. On behalf of our institution, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our guest of honor, Mr. D. Selvakumar. Thank you, sir. And my sincere thanks to our joint registrar, Dr. N. S. Subashri ma'am, for her constant support. Finally, I would like to thank you all of you present here for making the time to be with us today and helping us make this event a grand success. And I hope this event and the interaction with our chief guest was very valuable and learning experience for all of us. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
நாளை நமதென்று சொல்லுவோம், நல்ல பாதையில் செல்லுவோம். கல்வியே கண்கள் என்றுமே புது தலைமுறை நம் பெயர் சொல்லுமே.
Dr. NGR Educational and Research Institute, University, Mother of All, Chennai.